Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Tesla Model X. First, let's establish the basic proportions. Start by lightly sketching a long, horizontal rectangle, about 3 times as long as it is tall, to represent the main body. Then, add a gentle curve for the roofline, connecting the front and rear. Mark 2 points for the wheels, ensuring they are roughly 2/3 of the way from the front and rear edges of your rectangle. This initial framework is crucial for accuracy. Now, let's define the Model X's unique body. Gently refine the initial rectangle into the car's sleek, aerodynamic form, noting its slight taper towards the front. Crucially, sketch the iconic Falcon wing doors. These open upwards, so indicate their hinge points near the roofline. Also, outline the distinct front hood and the rear hatch, ensuring these lines flow smoothly with the overall body. Pay attention to the subtle curves that give the Model X its modern aesthetic. Next, we'll add the wheels and lighting. Draw 4 perfect circles for the wheels, ensuring they fit within your previously marked axle points. The Model X typically features large wheels, often 20 or 22 inches in diameter. Then, sketch the sleek, horizontal LED headlights that wrap around the front corners. At the rear, add the equally slim, horizontal taillights. Don't forget the side mirrors, which are relatively small and positioned just below the front windshield pillars. For our final slide, let's refine the details and add some depth. Carefully draw the panoramic windshield and the side windows, defining their frames. Add subtle elements like the flush door handles and the small charging port flap, usually located on the rear left side. Now, apply light shading to create dimension, focusing on areas like under the car, within the wheel wells, and along the body's curves. Finally, erase all your initial construction lines to reveal your clean, finished Tesla Model X drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.